Here uSibelebele has a chance. Don't be a hero, my friend. Pass the ball to someone who's in a better position. President plays the ball very nicely. He decides to take a shot. Pass police mfana ngithi. Pass. Ayisukele ka right ye ka left, isuke ka left ize ka right. They didn't do that enough or a lot in the first half. They didn't do that because when you rotate the ball, ispace siyavuleka. Munekete mfana ngithi. Asiyeni madoda. Rotate the ball mfana ngithi. There's two this side. Yeah? Because manje izinto zi-tense, now we want to shoot. Skajaha mfana ngithi. Ezinye izinto singajahi. The game was tense, vele sifuna ukukora. Everyone wants to be a hero. No, bafethu. Everyone ufuna ukuphuma ku-Bucks camp. No, rotate the ball. Izovuleka. Angithi ivulekile la, yavaleka angithi. Sharp. Ayiyele mfana ngithi. Munikete. Okay, sharp. I'll munikete. Now look here. Tito is all alone. Always find someone who's in a better position than you. That's what Paris failed to do in this game, especially first half. Munikete mfana ngithi. Pa, I move.